Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
There's been a lot of buzz lately about a Clash of Clans WWE 2025 game. It's an exciting thought, isn't it? However, as of now, there hasn't been any official announcement from either Supercell, the creators of Clash of Clans, or WWE about a direct game or special collaboration with that specific name. It's always good to be aware that fan concepts and rumors can sometimes spread, so let's look at how official game collaborations usually work. When big game crossovers or special editions are in the works, the developers almost always make a very clear official announcement. These aren't usually brand new games, but more often they are limited time events within an existing game, offering unique character skins, challenges, or themed content. Think of it as a special in-game celebration. Developers use their official websites, social media channels, and even in-game news feeds to share this exciting information directly with their player base. If you're looking to dive into the world of strategic base building and epic clan wars, the original Clash of Clans is ready for you right now. It's completely free to download and play, available on any smartphone or tablet through the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. This timeless strategy game continues to receive regular updates, introducing new characters, spells, and exciting events, ensuring there's always something fresh to explore within its vibrant universe. Now, if you're eager to experience the thrilling action of professional wrestling, the official WWE video games are part of the popular WWE 2K series. These titles usually launch annually on major gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, along with PC. To catch all the real WWE entertainment, you can always visit their official website for show schedules and news, or subscribe to streaming services that carry their live events and extensive video library. The best way to stay in the loop about any game news, especially potential crossovers, is to always trust official sources. Make sure you follow Supercell, WWE, and official game publishers on their social media channels, and check their websites regularly. It's exciting to imagine new gaming possibilities, and while a direct Clash of Clans WWE 2025 isn't on the horizon, the gaming world is always surprising us with innovative collaborations and new experiences. Keep an eye out for what comes next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.